he only plays for 6 years. And let me tell you, Bahrain, I mean, Coke plus other 10 years, I worked 35 years. I have never stayed in any place in India also for 6 years. So this was the longest stint. And I think this stint was, I did not feel it was long. It was so beautiful. I love the people here. I love the country, and I must say, it's a beautiful country. It welcomed me. I mean, I have my best of my friends in Bahrain. It's a place which my kids grew up. They studied here. They went to US after that. They dreamed from here. And I think, and the most important thing for me was to come to the office every day, meet all of you. Like what Sattar said, you know, it never looked like an office. It looked like you're going to your home or something. You know, it's more of a very personal touch. I live with beautiful memories of 25 plus years in this system. I enjoyed every bit of it. And I always said this to myself, that there will come a time where you have to say goodbye. And I think, I personally think, when people ask, is this the right time? There is no right time, or there is no wrong time. It's a time you decide that you want to do something else. Like somebody said, I think Anup said, right? That I'm not going to rest. That is absolutely correct. If I rest, then we will have a divorce, which is not a good idea. My wife and we will separate. So I have to do something. Inshallah, I'll do something. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm glad to be in this empty space, we call it. Sometimes it's good to be empty. So I'm in that empty space where I don't know how tomorrow is going to look at. But I think, from all of you, I carry such beautiful memories, so much love, and the most important thing, all the good memories we had with you, smiling, laughing. We've had tough times, and Babu, it is not that I'm always a good boss, by the way. I've been a tough boss. They have covered it up. I think we've had tough times, we've had good times, but I think all of you stayed together. I remember, I think most of you, are at some part of time, I was a part of either recruiting you or being a part of it. So I think it's such a blessing to have such beautiful memories, and you guys did such a wonderful thing today. Touched my heart actually, and I really want to leave you with best wishes. But I also want to talk to you about our new leader, Banu. A lot of people ask, so how is she going to be? What is she going to be? I think I've met, this was my first day I met Banu, okay? And I feel she's so much, I won't say like me because I don't want to insult her, okay? I think she's so much of passion, so much of enthusiasm. I think she wants to do good, make people feel good, big. And I think if you see her profile, she's been a very, very successful leader. So I personally think you guys are going to have a fantastic leader, and from here things can really look better. So I wish you all the very best.
Thank you so much for your words, sir. But I would like to tell you one thing. I don't think goodbyes are really a good